Oh, you might not came in my place. Oh no! Bonjour, I see you came in my place, madame. Well, I need to tell you something very important. You're gonna die. What a great plan! Yes, I know that. Wait, where's she going? What the f***?
I escaped.
Yeah, man, oh my goodness, we had the worst plan ever. Stupid idiot. Great, once you didn't know.
Oh, I feel so good. What?
Oh, look, so we finally, well, look, we finally did it. Wait, what the fuck? Shut up!
No, you.
Okay, we got me sick. Oh, no, not this idiot again. Okay, bye-bye, you idiot. Okay, I think we're safe now. Yeah, I think so. Wait, okay. Oh my god, get out. Wait, no, where, shut up. Okay, now we can go. Yes, we can go now. Yes, yeah. Okay, so now we put the tent. Yeah, put it. There you go. Here's your bread. That's not bread. Oh, yes, finally. We can start a campfire without this stupid, dumb, pink idiot. Well, it was a nice thing getting away from these idiots. Well, yeah, so you think it's good? Oh, yeah. Wait, what is that? I don't know what that is. What? Well, wait. Is there something behind this? I don't know. Do you know?
I lost your march.
Do you want to switch? Oh my god, I think there's a pink idiot again. What? We didn't left her? What? Oh god. Wait, who ate those?
The pink idiot.
I think it's her. The dumbass is always coming here. Well, we got with a flashlight. Okay, I don't see anything. Wait, what's that? One of those. Oh yeah, stop salting me. I don't care. Oh my god, what's that? What is that? What is it? Why are you bothering me? I don't know, shut up already. Jesus, you idiot. Okay, ow. Wait, somebody's in our tent. I already know, you dumbass, I already knew.
Run away.
When you run, I tricked them, you idiots. I scared them with my Woody boy. Run away. Yeah, man. I'm gonna come back for you, idiots. Come back.
Yeah, and that's how it is.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy